Section 2, Information Systems. Information systems then are defined as a comprehensive setup comprising hardware, software and communication infrastructure. Its primary function then is to collect, process and store information to facilitate decision making and to support organisational activities. The role then of the information system in performance management is crucial. It defines, measures and monitors performance metrics. They enable businesses to establish clear performance targets and benchmark and track progress towards achieving these. It provides then support for managerial activities. They serve then as the backbone for managers by providing access to timely and relevant information. They aid in various managerial functions such as planning, organising, leading and controlling. So let's take then a look at the costs and benefits then of information systems. On the benefits side then, having an information system is pivotal for companies as it facilitates better decision making, thus fostering a competitive edge. These systems enable efficient information processing, resulting in faster data analysis and decision making processes. Rapid access to information empowers companies to swiftly respond to market changes, enhancing agility and adaptability. Additionally then, information systems support all functions within a business, aiding communication and collaboration across departments. But on the cost side then, setting up an information system can incur significant expenses, primarily due to the need for the customization to align with the organisation's specific requirements. The more tailored the system, the greater the associated costs. Furthermore, ongoing protection and maintenance are essential to safeguard the system's integrity and functionality, adding then to the overall expense. So we're now going to look then at various different types of terminology here then, and we'll start with a network. So a network then comprises of computer systems communicating through physical or wireless connections. Physical connections such as Ethernet cables and wireless connections such as Wi-Fi facilitate this. Networks then facilitate efficient information sharing amongst connected systems. Various computers within a network then may specialise in different tasks like file storage or printing, optimising resource allocation and enhancing overall functionality. Let's look then at the difference between the internet and the intranet. So when we talk about the internet, we refer then to a worldwide network of interconnected computers and devices, all identified then by their unique, what we call Internet Protocol IP address. An intranet then, on the other hand, is a restricted portion of the internet accessible only within a specific organisation, therefore blocking public access. Conversely then, an extranet is a variant of an intranet. It permits external access with proper authentication credentials, extending their network accessibility to authorised users outside of the organisation. This could be customers or suppliers there. So let's have a look then at an MCQ, a multiple choice question. Which technology then would an organisation most likely use for a private, secure internal communications? Would it be A, the internet, B, the intranet, C, wireless technology, or D, the extranet? The correct answer then is B, the intranet. The intranet then is a private network within our organisation. It's only accessible then by the organisation's employees, normally via a username there and a password. It's used then for internal communication and collaboration, sharing documents and information, which has to be private then and secure. We're now then going to look at various different types of systems. So the first one then that we're going to look at is what's known as a transaction processing system. This then is an operational system utilised by frontline staff to streamline processes by capturing data, thereby enhancing the accuracy and the timeliness of information. These systems will primarily handle high frequency, short-term data. For instance then, a supermarket checkout employs such a system, where goods are scanned and the total bill is automatically calculated, exemplifying efficiency and accuracy then in data processing. The next type of system then we have is what's known as the management information system. These then are instrumental in facilitating structured decision making, aiding managers in analysing performance and exercising control over business operations. They primarily then rely on summarised internal information sourced then from a company's existing operations, often from systems like we saw previously, the transaction processing system, TPS. For instance then, a management information system could assist the manager of a supermarket in monitoring then inventory levels, enabling then informed decisions regarding stock management and ensuring optimal operational efficiency there. They might tell the manager then when, more stock here might need to be ordered. Next then we have the executive information system, the EIS. These then serve senior managers by providing them with tools to analyse organisational performance, identify trends and make decisions based on a concise overview of the entire business. Executive information systems then use both internal and external information sources, offering then a more holistic perspective that senior managers here require. They are also capable then of incorporating real-time data. In contemporary context then, executive information systems are often likened to dashboards, offering a user-friendly interface for executives to access key metrics and insights efficiently. Next then we have the Enterprise Resource Planning System, the ERPS. These then integrate various business functions, including human resources, sales, production, and supply chain within a unified database system. This integration then facilitates seamless information flow across all functions, enhancing control, data analytics, and performance management. An enterprise resource planning system then enables the monitoring of key performance indicators, KPIs, from multiple business functions on a single dashboard, providing executives then with a comprehensive view of organisational performance. Additionally then, an ERPS can facilitate modern accounting practices, like activity-based costing, by simplifying then the identification of cost pools and cost drivers, thereby improving cost management and financial analysis. The ERPS then is the ultimate system with all kind of bells and whistles there. Next then we have the customer relationship management software here, the CRM or CRMS there. This then centralises customer interactions, purchasing history, sales leads and other relevant data into a unified database. The primary then goal is to enhance the productivity of a company's sales team by improving communication, automating processes, and measuring sales performance effectively. By providing then a centralized platform for managing customer relationships, CRMs enable companies to streamline workflows, enhance customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive sales growth. So let's look then at another multiple choice question. Which system then do you think provides middle level management with the information they need to monitor and control business operations? Would it be A, a transaction processing system, B, a management information system, C, the executive information system, or finally D then, the customer relationship management system? The correct answer then in this case is B, the management information system, MIS. A management information system then primarily serves those managers then that sit within the middle of our organisation. It provides lots of things then, like routine reports there on current performance, and it gives then these middle level managers the information they need to monitor and control the business's operations.